Hey guys, today I'm show you some different and beautiful yard pictures. Look at these beautiful yard pictures. You can decor your garden to like this. These are beautiful pictures. Look at art. These art are so unique. Beautiful art of garden. You can decor your garden like this. These are some beautiful pictures. You can decor your garden like this. Guys, please, you can take ideas from my video. These are too much unique ideas. Beautiful ideas. Each and every idea is beautiful. You can decor like this. These are very unique ideas, guys. You can decor your garden like this. Look at these pictures. Beautiful pictures of garden. Beautiful art. Look at beautiful yard. Look at these yard fun art. Look at these color of combination. Look at fun art. Beautiful fun art pictures. Beautiful picture of yard. Guys, you can decor your garden like this. These are beautiful pictures. Look at these beautiful pictures.